Hi, my name is Ruizhe. Today I'm going to talk about click streaming in data streaming. Imagine a river with water flow. Where does the river begin? Where does the river end? In our view, we cannot find the beginning point of river and neither the ending point. Streaming data is like the river, and it has no discrete beginning or ending point. Data streaming is the process of sending data records continuously rather than in batches. Basically, data streaming is useful for data source, which send data in small sizes in a continuous flow as the data is generated. This may include a variety of data sources such as log files generated by customers using web application, e-commerce transactions, or information from social networks. There are some differences between batch and stream processing. For the data scoop, of the batch processing is queries or processing over all or most of the data in the dataset. For the stream processing, the data scoop is the queries or processing over data within a rolling time window or on just the most recent data record. The data size of batch processing is large batches of data. But for the stream processing, it's individual records or micro batches consisting of a few records. The performance of batch processing requires latencies in minutes to hours, but for the stream processing, it only requires latency in the order of seconds or milliseconds. The analysis of batch processing is a complex analytics. For the stream processing, it's a simple response functions, aggregates, and rolling matrix. Click streaming is a record of a user's activity on the internet, including every website and every page of website that the user visits, how long the user was on a web page or site, in what order the pages were visited, any news groups that the user participates in, and even the email addresses used to send and receive. Both services providing web and individual websites are capable of tracking a user's click stream. Here are some applications of click streaming. Click streaming can help companies to understand customers' entire online journey. For example, it can be used in online shopping. The average customer visits dozens of products in a single session. By using click streaming, vendors can get information about what products customers are interested in, but this has to be authorized. Take another example. An online gaming company collects streaming data about users' game interactions and feeds the data into its gaming platform. It then analyzes the data in real time, offers incentives and dynamic experiences to engage its players. In addition, a real estate website can use click streaming to track subset of data from consumers' devices and makes real-time property recommendations of properties to visit based on their preferences. There are also some challenges in working with streaming data. Streaming data processing requires two layers, a storage layer and a processing layer. The storage layer needs to support record ordering and strong consistency to enable fast, inexpensive, and replayable reads and writes large streams of data. The processing layer is responsible for consuming data from the storage layer, running computations on that data, and then notifying the storage layer to delete data that is no longer needed. Some other factors are also very important. These factors include scalability, data durability, and fault tolerance in both the storage and the processing layers. As a result, many platforms provided the infrastructure needed to build streaming data applications, including Amazon Kinesis Streams, Apache Flume, Apache Spark Streaming, and Apache Storm.